Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmood184@gmail.com. Today inshallah we're going to learn how to say in Arabic you made me. How to say you made me in Arabic language. And as we usually do, we take an example first. Okay, you made me happy. You made me happy. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? You made me happy. Well, we say لقد جعلتني سعيدا. لقد جعلتني سعيدا. You made me happy. لقد جعلتني سعيدا. You made me happy. So you made me لقد جعلتني. Okay, and سعيدا happy. You made me happy. Okay, so you made me means لقد جعلتني, and it can be followed by اسم, a noun, or it can be followed by مضارع, a present tense, فعل مضارع, a present tense. Okay, it depends. So for example, you made me strong. You made me strong. So first we put لقد جعلتني. لقد جعلتني. Okay, strong, قويا. You made me strong. لقد جعلتني قويا. قويا, strong. لقد جعلتني قويا. So قويا here it's a noun. Okay, let's see the next example. You made me cry. You made me cry. So first we put لقد جعلتني. لقد جعلتني. Okay, cry, أبكي. لقد جعلتني أبكي. You made me cry. أبكي, cry. لقد جعلتني أبكي. أبكي it's a present tense, مضارع, فعل مضارع. Okay, the last one. You made me remember. You made me remember. So first we put لقد جعلتني. Okay, remember, أتذكر. لقد جعلتني أتذكر. You made me remember. لقد جعلتني أتذكر. Remember. Okay, here also أتذكر is a present tense, فعل مضارع. So لقد جعلتني قويا. لقد جعلتني أبكي. لقد جعلتني أتذكر. Okay, or you made me happy. لقد جعلتني سعيدا. Or you made me sad. لقد جعلتني حزينا. Okay, it depends. After لقد جعلتني it's a noun or present tense. Okay, and that's the end of our lesson. Please guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel, and if you could share this video with your friends, I'd be really grateful for this, because it's really important for me. If you have any question, write in the comment and I will reply you inshallah. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other videos inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.